Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I will be refurbishing these alloy wheels. They're actually from my Mk1 Audi TT, which I'm rebuilding on the channel, so if you would like and subscribe and go and watch all the other videos, that would be great. So I'm going to be showing you one of the cheapest ways of being able to do it at home without any special tools like a compressor or spray gun. I'm going to be doing it with an aerosol, and yeah, I'll take you through step by step on how I would go about making these wheels look a lot better. So as you can see, these wheels have got a slight bit of curb rash all the way around, so I'm going to be showing you how I would do it with just a small amount of tools. I've got various grades of wet and dry sandpaper. These are from my air sander, but I might not even use these. I just got some alloy wheel filler for all the deep blemishes if it needs it. And I'm probably going to get quite a bit of tape for this, but I'm actually using Montana white, so it's graffiti paint. Believe it or not, I sprayed cars, I sprayed wheels and everything with this, and it is great. It's so durable and strong. I've never actually used the gloss one before. It's normally matte or satin. So yeah, let's get cracking. First I'm going to go ahead and clean the wheels, give them a good scrub with, probably get a scouring pad and some warm soapy water just to clean them all off, and just give them a key for the paint to stick. Start by removing that. And yeah, I'm just going to work my way through different grades of sandpaper on the outer lip of the wheel, and hopefully they come out quite nice. So the heavens have opened, but that's not going to stop me. I've sprayed the wheels down, just some wheel cleaner. I actually didn't have any scouring pads left, so I'm just using that old sponge just to agitate all the built-on dirt. I'm just going to go around the whole wheel, and yeah, I'll be back shortly when I'm dry and inside. So I'm under some cover from the rain. After giving the wheel a good scrub inside and out, you can see all the blemishes from the curb rash. It's not actually really bad, so I'm just going to go over it with some 600 grit all over the wheel. Pay close attention to the outer lip where it's a bit curved, and see how the wheel feels, because there's not any damage actually inside the face of the wheel, which is lucky really. It's just the outer lip. So yeah, I'll set up the tripod and go over the whole wheel with a 600 grit. So I've went over the whole wheel with 600 grit. I went round this edge here with a 420 just to try and smooth out all these curb rash marks, and then after that I went back over this with a 600. So I've etched all the paint on the wheels. I'm just going to give them a clean with some washing up liquid, because it's actually a good degreaser, and then start masking up and we start painting the wheels. So I've masked up the wheel and the tyre. All I've used is just a rubble bag. I just sliced it up with a knife, and yeah, all it's there to do is just to protect the tyre. I'm going to go ahead, mask up the valve, give it a quick wipe down with some thinners, and yeah, I'm going to start doing the spraying. So the reason why I'm using this paint today is because I'm not actually going to be using any primer on the paint, because it's such a, well, in my opinion, it's a brilliant paint. Yeah, I've never known it to crack or flake or anything on wheels, on cars, on anything that I've sprayed. So I'm not actually going to be using primer. I may be tempted to go over it with a 2K clear with my compressor and spray gun, depending on the finish. But like I said, this is just a budget way of doing it, with no like expensive tools, no compressor, no spray guns. It's just for anyone at home who just wants to make their wheels look a little bit better. For me, this is probably going to be just temporary, whether I sell the car or, you know, I'm not 100% sure on what I'm doing yet. I just want it to look a little bit more appealing to the eye. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, give it a wipe down with some thinners and start spraying. So I've give it a wipe down with some thinners, just to clean off any excess oils or just anything that could be left behind. I'm just going to go ahead, give the can a good shake for a couple of minutes. I'm actually going to be doing 2 coats of paint. I'll see if it need a third. I may do a third. I've actually got, how many? I think I bought 6 cans, so I've got 1 and a bit per wheel. So I've got plenty of paint because it does go a really long way. I'm just going to wait for all the rest of the thinners to evaporate off and start spraying. So after giving it a kind of good shake for a couple of minutes, you just want to do a light coat all over the wheel and then let it sit for 10 minutes just to sort of semi-dry off, and yeah, go ahead on the second coat. So I've left the first coat for 10 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead, give the can a little shake and go over with a slightly heavier coat and try and cover the whole wheel. So yeah, that's the second coat. Just gonna wait for it to dry off a bit and I'll be back shortly. As you can see, it's actually looking really shiny, which I'm quite impressed with. So yeah, we'll see how it looks in a second. So it's been about an hour now since I've done the last coat on the paint. I'm actually really happy with the finish. Don't get me wrong, it's not 100%, but like I said, I'm just doing it in my shed with graffiti paint on a budget. So I'm going to go ahead now and peel all of the masking tape off and reveal the finished wheel. So that's the wheel, 100% finished. I might go over it with a bit of compound just to buff up some slight little bits. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with the finish. I've just got 3 more of them to do now, so that'll be fun. Yeah, I'm just going to leave them to dry completely overnight and then I can go ahead and fit them to the car. So I will leave a link in the description for this paint because I'm not sure if anyone's going to use it, but yeah, like I said, it is brilliant. Yeah, hundreds of different colours. This one's the Montana white. If you was to go for the Montana gold and Montana black, the range of colours is incredible. There's hundreds of colours. So yeah, I hope this video helps. If you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. And on my next video, I will be showing you the car with the wheels actually fitted and ready to go.